I am Melanie.
I'm Bree.
And I'm
Trisha, Bree, and Melanie. It kind of rhymes. Alright?
Not really.
Okay, who wants to start? We're gonna sing Boyfriend by Justin Bieber.
Why don't we just say together?
Okay. Well, it's like a whisper, so you gotta whisper, okay?
Okay.
We didn't plan this at all, so it's gonna be like...
Freestyle, freestyle.
Yeah, it's freestyle, you know what I mean?
Type
Like,
thing, yeah.
do that kind of stuff.
It's like,
May the law be with us. Okay.
Yeah.
hallelujah.
Alright. How are we gonna start this? Oh, my Kindle's on.
We're like a mini introduction.
Hang on. Let's get to it in a second. Okay, ready? How does it start again?
I don't know.
If I were your boyfriend,
Oh, yeah.
never let you
Ready, set, go. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. I can take you places you ain't never been before. Baby, take a chance, you never ever know. I got money in my hands that I really got to blow. Swag, swag, swag on you. Chilling by the fire while we eating fondue. I don't know about me, but I know about you. So say hello to recital in 3, 2, swag. I'd like to be anything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. Keep you on my arm, girl. You'll never be alone. I can be a gentleman, anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. Never let you go. Tell me what you like, yeah, tell me what you don't. I could be a Buzz Lightyear, fly across the globe. I don't never wanna fight, yeah, you already know. I'ma make you shine bright like you're laying in the snow. Bird,
Girlfriend.
you could be my
girlfriend.
You could be my girlfriend until the world ends. Make you dance to a spin and a twirl, and boys calling crazy like, what's up? It's a whirlwind. I'd like to be anything you want. Hey girl, let me talk to you. If I was a girlfriend, I'd never let you go. Oh, girl, never be alone. I can be a gentleman, anything you want. If I was your boyfriend, I'd never let you go. Never let you go. So give me a chance. You're all I need, girl. Spend a week with your boy, I'd be calling you my girlfriend. If I was your man,
Me boy.
I just wanna love and treat you right.
Well.
Never be alone. If I was your boyfriend,
never let you go.
I would never let you go. Na na na, na na na, na na na, yeah girl. Na na na, na na na. If I was your boyfriend. Swaggy.
Swaggy.
Wasn't that cute, man? I don't even know. I can't even.
Remix with the girlfriend in it too.
A little bit.
That's what no rehearsal does to you.